What's good, YouTube? Back here with another video. Today we're going to be getting the power mat by 245. Been waiting here for about 3 hours for this truck right here. Finally here. Let's go see. Let's see what's in the box.
I'll show you with the box. Who's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the fucking box?
Let's see what's in the box. All I see is one package he's pulling out. A little scared. Oh, he's getting two. All right. My boy taking a little too long to get these packages out, but I'm a patient man. Here it is. Alrighty, so here we go. Got the packages. I ordered these from Clipper Depot. They had a little Black Friday sale they had going on. So I'm gonna link their information in the description box. Shout out to Clipper Depot for coming through with some dope gear. They actually got this shipped out in like 2 days. They ordered it Friday and it's here Monday morning. So shout out to Clipper Depot. Like I said, go and link their information in the description box. But let's get this box open. So first off, let's open this bag here. What we got in the bag. And this is gonna be the wall magic clip adapter. I'm gonna throw this on the back of the clipper. So that way this right here will be able to wirelessly charge on this power mat here. So let me get this open. All right, so like I said, 245 for the power clip for the magic clip. So I'm gonna throw it on this one right here. So this is what we got on the inside here. Got your instructions on how to actually put this on the magic clip. Not too difficult. So first off, opinion of this is it's pretty sturdy. It's a pretty sturdy product. It's a plastic piece with the charger on the inside. But I'm very impressed with it. Very impressed with the paint job you got on there. 245, 245. Then they also got the 245 at the bottom right there. So we're gonna go ahead and throw it on the magic clip. So we got it on there now. We're gonna go ahead and open the box, get the power mat all plugged up and see how it works. Ooh-wee. Yo, this is a nice box. It's like super professional, bro. So we got the power mat here. This is you be able to charge your Beam Team XL, a phone. And you got the actual area right here where we're gonna throw our clipper. I haven't bought an expansion pack yet or any other clips for the other clippers that we have, but I do plan on buying a clip for the Slimline Pro LIs and the shaver. So that will come in eventually, but this is just the initial unboxing and review of what I think of the product so far. But yeah, man, this is super, super professional how they have their presentation on their product. Very, very, very professional. All right, here we go. Everything's super secure. We got your power adapter here. Then we have our power mat. Super, super heavy duty. Got your instructional booklet. And then last but not least, got the actual mat right here. So this mat, man, this is heavy duty. So right there, you have your slot for your Beam Team XL. Also, you can charge your phone or other devices that can charge wirelessly. Also have an area right here that you can charge, and you can purchase expansion packs for this area right here on the inside. So you're gonna go ahead and plug your adapter, your power adapter right here, and that should power the whole mat. So we'll get that all plugged up. But first, I gotta clear out my area so we can lay this down. I'm gonna go ahead and get this bad boy plugged in now. Got the power adapter, which we'll plug into this side. Actually, this side over here. There's indicator lights right here that it is on and it will be charging. So we'll go ahead and get the Beam Team XL on there and also the magic clip and see that those indicator lights come on. So first off is the Beam Team XL. We have the indicator lights on this side. So once you place it on there, you'll see those lights turn green and it start charging. So the next thing we'll do is throw on the magic clips. All right, now we got our magic clip with the power clip on the bottom. We're gonna throw that on to the charger. Make sure that it's on the actual indicator right here. Once you place it on there, light turns green, indicator light turns on, you know you're charging up. So here's the final product with everything laid out, station set up. You can see everything's charging. Really great investment. I suggest if you're a barber, copy one of these power mats. Very innovative, very new. So just got done showing you the whole power mat, everything. I just want to say shout out to Tune 45 for the product, just the packaging, everything, instructions, everything just looks A1, super professional, always putting out great work. All their barbers put out great quality work. As a company, as a whole, just shout out to them. Go get you one of these power mats, Tune 45 power mats. I highly suggest you get one. Keep you more organized. Keep your cords to a minimum, and just, you know, hop on Tune 45's innovative train. They're taking barbering to another level. Just shout out to them for real. But like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the review. This was just an initial unboxing and review. I hope you got all the information you needed. If there's anything I left out or information you need, leave me a question, comment down below, and I'll be sure to answer it for you. But like I said, I appreciate you for watching. If you liked the video, smash that like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I got 2 more videos I'll be putting out in the next week. But just stay locked in, stay engaged to the channel. We're about to be putting out more videos. I got the chamber loaded, and I'm ready to shoot out all these videos ASAP. Appreciate you for watching this video. But until next time, peace.